Are you looking for the benefits of ginger juice in the morning? Ginger, used for thousands of years worldwide, treats various health issues like digestive disorders, arthritis, and inflammation. It's also popular for treating the common cold and enhancing food flavor. Ginger is rich in vitamins and nutrients such as potassium, copper, manganese, and magnesium, essential for a healthy lifestyle. It contains gingerol, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Additionally, it helps with upset stomachs and nausea. Vitamin C in ginger helps maintain connective tissues and reduces hypertension. Benefits of ginger juice in the morning. 1. Antioxidant properties. The antioxidants present in ginger can be very effective against heart diseases, cancer, Alzheimer's, and aging. These antioxidants fight against the reactive oxygen species, ROS, responsible for causing damage to the cells. Drinking ginger juice regularly will protect you from the negative effects of these ROS. 2. Protects from diabetes. Drinking ginger juice can lower the effects of chronic diabetes. Zinc found in ginger plays a vital role in the secretion of insulin. Studies have proved that ginger can improve insulin resistance and encourage healthy blood sugar. Ginger can control diabetes by controlling crashes and spikes. 3. Helps in weight loss. Are you trying to lose weight and find it tiresome? Ginger juice can help you lose those extra pounds by suppressing your appetite. Ginger juice will regulate the blood sugar level, eventually controlling the urge to eat. It also improves the fat-absorbing ability by breaking down the body's fat, which helps lose weight. 4. Boost the immune system. Ginger filled with powerful antioxidants can protect and strengthen the immune system to fight against diseases. Ginger has antifungal, antiviral, and antibacterial properties that can boost a healthy immune system. It can also heal the common cold quickly by reducing negative respiratory symptoms. 5. Improves digestion. People regularly take ginger juice to help ease digestion and prevent nausea. A good stomach is a sign of good health, so taking ginger juice regularly will keep all digestive ailments at bay. Drink ginger juice every day to cure stomach ulcers and encourage proper functioning of the gut to promote healthy bowel movements. 6. Helps clear acne. Ginger has the properties to purify the blood. Consuming ginger juice every morning on an empty stomach can clear all kinds of skin disorders, including pimples and acne. 7. Lowers cholesterol. Ginger can actively reduce the bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides in the body, as per recent studies. It can clear the blockage in the arteries, which form a plaque. Drinking some ginger juice regularly will ensure that the plaque is eventually cleaned and subsequently reduces the cholesterol. Also, ginger acts as a natural blood thinner, making blood flow to all the body parts easy and preventing excessive clotting. This helps in preventing a heart attack or stroke. 8. Reduces pain. Gingerol in ginger reduces muscle and joint pain by combating inflammation. Consistent use can relieve long-term joint pain and arthritis. Studies show ginger reduces swelling and inflammation. For exercise-induced muscle pain or menstrual cramps, try a ginger juice shot. Daily ginger juice is recommended for ongoing muscle or joint pain. 9. Improves brain function. Inflammation can harm brain cells in the elderly, but ginger's anti-inflammatory properties promote cognitive function. Daily ginger juice can reduce chronic inflammation, improve alertness, and enhance memory. A study showed middle-aged women had better memory and attention after 2 months of ginger consumption. Ginger also acts as a calming agent, providing a stress-free day and aiding detoxification. It fights illness, germs, and cancer-causing agents, and improves cardiovascular health and skin. Here's an easy recipe for making ginger juice. How to make ginger juice shot. Ingredients: 1 inch of a fresh ginger slice, 1 cup of filtered water, few cubes of ice, optional. Lemon and honey, optional. Instructions: place the ginger slices into a blender and add the water with the ice cubes, blend until you get a transparent paste. With a strainer, strain the juice to remove all the lumps. If you want, you can add a little honey and a few drops of lemon juice. Relish this excellent tonic at the start of the day to improve your overall well-being. Precautions: it should be noted that ginger juice should not be given to children under 2 years. As ginger is a natural thinner, if you are on heavy medication, consult a doctor first. If you have gallbladder issues, take medical advice before consuming ginger. as it can increase bile production. If you get any burning sensation and skin rash, do not consume ginger juice as you might be allergic to it. We hope that after going through the above benefits of ginger juice in the morning will surely help you. So please don't delay in taking advantage of it.